Okay, so let's get going with this curried sausage recipe, guys. This is part of our cheap eat series. We're cooking for 4 people today. We've got our sausages ready to go. We've got our vegetables, our standard vegetables. I'm also going to be throwing in some cauliflower because we've got it fresh out of the garden. And like I keep on saying to everyone all the time, use what you've got in the fridge. Doesn't matter, recipes, you can change. It doesn't have to be exact to the point, just use what you've got. So anyway, let's get stuck into these. So what we want to do at the moment is just cut these into bite-sized pieces like that. Alright guys, so we've cut our sausages up. All we've got to do now, I've got a fry pan on the cooktop, a bit of oil, get it nice and hot, and let's go and sear these. Alright, so now let's get these in this hot pan. The whole idea with this is we want to get a nice sear on these. Okay, so we've got our sausages, they're nicely browned off. What we're going to do now, we're just going to leave them in the fry pan and let's get organised with our vegetables. Alright guys, so for our vegetables, we've got potatoes. We've got some spring onions from the garden, we've got a little bit of celery, we've got some carrot, we've got some garlic, we've got a bulb of onion, we've got some cauliflower as well. This is not your normal part of this recipe, but like I said, use what you got instead of letting it go limp and you're throwing it out. So that's pretty much what we're going to use today. And unless I explained it before, this meal is for 4 people and it's going to cost about $2.50 per serve, so it's pretty cheap. So so let's get on with this. Let's cut all this up. Alright, so we've prepared all our vegetables. We've got a nice pot going on the stove here. We'll just put just a little spray of oil, not a great deal. And let's prepare our vegetables. Okay, all in the pot they go. Now what we're going to do with these, we're going to just toss these around a little bit. Alright guys, so we've given them a bit of a stir. Let's just add in our sausages. Mix them through. And the reason I like to just quickly fry up those vegetables a bit, what it does, it just amplifies the flavours. Mixes them all up. And by the way too guys, again like I was saying before, I'm feeding 4 people as it is. You add some rice on the side, you probably get away with feeding 5 or 6 people. So like I said, it's pretty cheap and easy. Alright, the next step, what I'm going to do is I've got some chicken powder, chicken stock. I'll just throw some of that in there. And I've got a heap spoon of curry powder. Mild, you can have spicy, whatever you want, it's up to you. I just like to use a mild one because everyone here is not too big on spice. And then all we've got to do with this is a bit of boiling water. Perfect. So what we're doing is covering it. Okay. Smell is fantastic. Now salt and pepper, again, that's something, you know, you take care of yourself. You salt and pepper to taste. It's individual preference. Some people don't use it, whatever, but that's your individual taste, so add what you want. So what we're going to do now, we will put the lid on this. Whoop, wrong lid. We'll put the lid on this. We'll bring it to the boil. I can't see this. We'll bring it to the boil and then we'll reduce it down to a simmer for about 45 to 50 minutes. Alright, so now we've been cooking that for a little while. It's been now 45 minutes, 50 minutes or so. So, let's have a look at this. Okay, so the starch out of the potatoes has thickened this up slightly, but what we're going to do at this stage, I've got some corn flour that I've mixed up with a little bit of cold water, so I'm just going to add some of this in there. This will just get it to the consistency that we want. Beautiful. And that's as easy as it can be, guys. And again, one pot, one pan, pot, pan, whatever you want to call them. It's just that type of meal. You're just doing it with one item and that's it. As simple as. Alright, the smell is absolutely gorgeous. So there's only one thing to do now, and let's have a go at serving this up. Alright guys, so there you go. That's our curried sausages, made simple, quick and easy recipe. Not hard to make, and like I said, pretty economical as well. And same again, just make sure you use everything that you've got in the fridge. Alright guys, so now for the taste test. Let's give this a crack. Let's try these sausages first. Beautiful. Got a nice curry flavour, not too strong at all. Oh, can't go wrong, guys. There it is. Whoops. Now I've spilt it all over the place. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video coming shortly. And everyone, have a great day. Cheers.